Hello, everybody. Welcome to this session on monitoring and observability, two essential disciplines for building resilient, scalable systems. I'm Zareen Khan, and in this video, we will explore how to make your system more transparent, measurable, and reliable through these foundational concepts. So let's begin by defining these two core concepts. Observability is a property of a system. It reflects how well we can understand the system's internal behavior based on the output it produces, such as logs, metrics, traces. And monitoring, on the other hand, is the act of collecting and analyzing those signals to visualize the performance or trigger alerts. So while they are like often used interchangeably, they serve different purposes, and understand this distinction in like it's critical. Key differences. So what's the key differences? Observability goes a level deeper. It helps us answer why it is happening. Monitoring answers the question what is happening. For example, is CPU usage high, or is a like server down? So monitoring is often confused on known issues, while observability enables us uncover unknown or unexpected failures. How they work together. Observability and monitoring work best when they are used together. Monitoring tools alert us when something's off. Observability helps us investigate the root cause analysis using the data signals from our services. Together, they form a strong foundation for monitoring system health and reliability. Pillars of observability. Observability relies on like what we call these three pillars. First, metrics, which provides the quantitative performance data. Second, logs, which captures event details and errors. Third, traces, which like shows the path of the request across distributed systems. So these are all like four categories. Events which represent significant changes in state. A strong observability strategy collects and correlates all these to give a full picture of a system. So, monitoring in practice. So, in practice, monitoring uses three observability signals to build dashboards, trigger alerts, and surface insights. So, this include like CPU graphs, memory usage, error rates, or custom application metrics. So, these visualization helps teams respond quickly and efficiently when something goes wrong. Techniques and blind spots. Different monitoring techniques apply to different layers of your system. For example, monitoring just the backend may not reveal slow page loads in the front end. A common blind spot is like ignoring the client side performance, which can heavily impact user experience. A layered full stack observability strategy helps you avoid these gaps. So let's take a real world example. So let's say your backend is healthy, no errors, fast response time, but users are still experiencing slow pages. So on investigation, you find a third party script on the front end is slowing things down without like front end monitoring in place. This could have been invisible. So this shows why observability need to be holistic and end to end. So the everything we have like covered the here lays the foundation for the rest of this course. So we will explore tools like Grafana Cloud, like set up the real-time dashboard, configure alerts, and practice the intercepting logs, metrics, and traces. So by end of this course, we will have the skills to build, monitor, and troubleshoot the production system with confidence. So thank you all for joining me in the session. I hope this, like give a clear practical introduction to, world of observability and monitoring. So let's continue this journey and build systems that are not only available but reliable, observable, and intelligent. So feel free to reach out to me with any question if you have for the feedback, and let's keep learning together. Thank you.